Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Gourmia air fryer oven. We'll be evaluating these products in several categories, including features, performance, ease of use, and cleaning. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The Chefman TurboFry Touch is priced at $129, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $53. While the Gourmia is much more affordable, the Chefman offers a larger cooking capacity. Both air fryers offer a variety of features such as preset cooking modes, digital displays, and adjustable temperature controls. However, the Gourmia air fryer oven also includes dehydrating and toasting functions, making it a more versatile kitchen appliance. Both air fryers produce delicious and crispy results with little to no oil. However, the Gourmia air fryer oven includes fat removal technology, making it a healthier option. The Chefman TurboFry Touch also includes a shake reminder to ensure even results every time. Both air fryers are easy to operate with digital displays and one-touch cooking modes. However, the Chefman TurboFry Touch includes an extra-large viewing window and bright interior light, making it easier to monitor your food while cooking. Both air fryers are dishwasher safe, making for easy and quick cleanup. However, the Gourmia air fryer oven includes air fryer accessories that can be placed directly in the dishwasher, eliminating the need for hand washing. And that wraps up our comparison of the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Gourmia air fryer oven. While both products offer great features and performance, it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Do let us know in the comments which air fryer you prefer and why. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.